Welcome back to week 2 of the Inner Peace course. Last week we started in my garden with awareness. This week we will focus on the body with our awareness, on the inner room, on the inner space of the body. All you need is being ready and bringing in the willingness of keeping your awareness with the movement as we go through. Please find a comfortable place to lie flat on your back now. And let's start. Find a good place where you can now lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Then take a deep breath in and out, letting everything go that doesn't help you in this present moment, that you don't need right now. All the overload, just breathe it all out. And then feel your body, feel how you're touching the surface that you're laying on. Feel the energy and weight of your body, the warmth, and then bring your awareness to your right hand. Focus on your right hand. Feel your hand from the inside, the inner space of your hand, your fingers, bring your awareness to your right arm, your elbow, feel the right arm, the space of your right arm from the inside. Feel your right arm from the inside. And bring your awareness to your right shoulder. Feel the awareness inside of your right shoulder, the room, the space. Moving your awareness to your right foot now. Feel your right foot from the inside, the inner space of your foot and toes. Feel the foot from the inside. Moving your awareness to your right leg now. The leg including the knee. Feel this huge space inside of the right leg. Feel your leg from the inside out by simply putting your awareness there. Moving your awareness now to your left hand. Feel your left hand from the inside, the inner space of your left hand, your fingers. Feel your left hand inside. Moving your awareness to your left arm, the full arm, left arm now, including the elbow. Feel it from the inside. the inner space of your left arm. Moving your awareness now to your left foot. Feel your left foot from the inside out. The space inside of the left foot and the toes. Feel your left foot. Moving your awareness to your left leg. Huge space here in the left leg, including the knee. Feel it from the inside out, the space of your left leg. Move your awareness now to your hip area, your torso. Feel your hip and torso from the inside out. A lot of space here. Home for many organs and functions of your body. Feel your belly from the inside, your chest. From your hip up to your shoulders, feel the inner space inside of you. Moving your awareness to your neck. Feel your neck from the inside, your throat, the inner space of your neck. And moving up to your head, feel the space, the inner room of your head, inside out. Feel the room of your head. Also, so many functions, organs are based here that are so important for your life. Let's move the awareness. Please follow along. Move your awareness to the right side of your body, the complete right side. Feel the inner space on the right side of your body. Move your awareness to your left side of the body now and feel the inner space of your left side. Without judgment, whatever you observe, just move along with your awareness. Accepting everything as it is. Move your awareness to the back side of your body now, the complete back side of your body from the inside out. Moving your awareness to the front side of your body, the complete front side, the inner space of the front side of your body. Just feel it. No need to think about it. Now, the inner space of your complete body from head to toe. Feel the inner space from head to toe, the inner room in your body now and enjoy this feeling of spaciousness for a couple of more breaths. And then slowly but surely be ready to come back. Return to this moment. Take a deep breath in and stretch your body if you like. Return fully to this present moment, ready to face whatever is on your agenda now. Your practice for this week is to connect with your inner space for at least 10 minutes a day, learning to move the awareness inside of your body and connecting with that inner awareness, sensing. If you stick with it for a week, you will feel how your awareness will improve and calmness will spread throughout your days. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I'll see you in week 3.